Hi everyone, welcome back. In next couple of lectures, we'll take a look into what are the components in React and different types of components in React. Well, what is a component? A component is an independent, reusable code block which divides the user interface into smaller pieces. Well, let us understand with an example. Well, consider we have user interface and we can divide this user interface into smaller components. For example, header component, footer component, side navbar component, main content component, and ads component. Alright, and finally these components will come together to create a complete user interface. And notice here I have mentioned component is a reusable. Reusable means we can use the existing component as many as times we want in a React application. For example, here we have side navbar component and we can reuse this side navbar component as a left side navbar or right side navbar. We just have to change the information and properties. The rest of the code remains same in a component. Alright. Next, the components can be nested inside other components. For example, here we have app component as a root component, and this app component is nested the other components like header component, footer component, side navbar component, and so on and so forth. Alright, so just remember, components can nested other components as well. Next, in React there are two types of components, functional components and class components. In next lecture we will take a look into what is functional component. Alright, great, I will see you in the next lecture.